Welcome to AnbuZ HobbieZ. Today, we're delving into the world of design patterns, and our spotlight is on the prototype design pattern in Java. The prototype pattern provides a brilliant solution for creating new objects by cloning existing ones. Join us as we explore the ins and outs of this pattern and see how it simplifies object creation. Before we dive into the code, let's grasp the essence of the prototype design pattern. It allows us to create new objects by duplicating an existing one, known as the prototype. This pattern is all about efficient object creation through cloning. To illustrate the prototype pattern, we'll design a customizable robot that can be effortlessly duplicated. We create a shape interface as the prototype with a clone method and a draw method for rendering the shape. We implement concrete shapes, such as circle and square, each with a unique color property. They implement the shape interface, providing their own clone and draw methods. We create a shape manager to manage prototype shapes. It initializes and stores prototype shapes in a map and provides a method to retrieve cloned shapes. In the client code, we use the shape manager to get cloned instances of prototype shapes. This demonstrates how the prototype design pattern allows you to create new objects with customized properties efficiently. This example illustrates how the prototype design pattern can be applied to create and customize objects, in this case, different shapes with colors, by cloning existing prototypes. The prototype pattern offers several advantages, such as efficient object creation, reduced code complexity, and ease of customization. This example illustrates how the prototype design pattern can be applied to create and customize objects, in this case, different shapes with colors, by cloning existing prototypes. While the prototype pattern is a powerful tool, it's important to be aware of potential pitfalls. 1. Deep cloning. Ensure that you implement deep copying for complex objects when necessary. 2. Object state. Pay attention to the mutable state of objects within prototypes to avoid unintended changes. The prototype design pattern in Java simplifies object creation through cloning, offering both efficiency and customization. By understanding its core principles, being mindful of pitfalls, and using it judiciously, you can harness the full potential of this pattern. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to AnbuZ HobbieZ for more insightful tutorials and updates.